So now I want to talk about filter. The use of filter is very common when you have a large spreadsheet data because it's very long. We want to just select some of the observation. So I'll do it at home, and you select the first row and you sort and filter and choose filter. So let's illustrate how you can do it. So Excel. So this is the data we have here. So let me magnify it. So click the first row and try to click sort and filter and use filter. And here you have a small triangle here. So here you can just click on it. And I just want the 1 day here. Suppose I don't select all, just select the January 3rd. So what remains is only January 3rd. Or I cancel the filter. I only select stock A, say A and B, say multiple. Then stock C will disappear. Okay, so this is how you can filter, then can make things easy. And the next thing is to look at the filter when you try to calculate the average. Suppose you see the filter, the data, you want to calculate the sum, then it's not that easy to do it. So why? So Excel, suppose I hear the data and I want to calculate the sum, okay, of current, okay, and if you add them up, you notice that actually you don't then respect, okay, no matter how you do the filtering, okay, the number is same. So it's sum of the volume. Doesn't really matter how you do the filtering, it's always remain 56. So sometimes you really want to have the sum that based on what you have filtered, what you have seen. So what you will do is you will call subtotal. So we will use the following function, subtotal, okay, and I'm subtotaling this thing, okay. Maybe first I remove the all the filter first, make it more clear. So I use subtotal, and then I choose here a little bit different. You need to choose what function you want. So I want to use this sum, say number 9, and then I take the whole column, okay. So now C10, so they're the same, okay. And you notice that now I just try to do the filtering. I just focus on B and C, okay. Then you change accordingly. And if I look at only B, you will change accordingly. So this is the sum. And similarly, we can do the average. And of course, remember is C2 to C10. And average is 1. Okay. So this will be the average. And it really depends on how you do the filtering. Then it will be changed accordingly. So subtotal is very convenient. The very convenient way to simplify your data and try to take out the average and the sum from them. And of course, if you don't want to do more, it's easiest to look at the pivot table, introducing other slide. Thank you very much.